The State National Service Scheme NSS cell, Manipur, celebrated its Golden Jubilee today at the Auditorium Hall of Kumanlam Park, Imphal. As a part of the function, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haukip, along with Commissioner YAS, Government of Manipur, Bobby Waikhom IAS, and other dignitaries attended as main guest. Mao Temporary Market was opened at Kakching Bazaar starting from early this morning. Mao Market has been put up in many places of Imphal city and surrounding locations from time to time. Many residents of Kakching came to Mao Market and bought their favorite vegetables. The indefinite National Highway No. 2 shutdown called by Makhan People's Organization has been suspended till 5th October according to reports. The band was suspended after Chief Minister N. Biren had given an assurance on naming the culprits involved in September 17th arson attack, wherein 18 houses were torched down by unidentified miscreants in connection to land dispute. Arunachal Pradesh Governor Brig retired B.D. Mishra on Monday flagged off 15 senior division cadets of 1 Arunachal Pradesh National Cadet Corps Battalion Swachhta Pakhwada Relay Cycle Rally from Raj Bhavan in Itanagar. As per reports, during the rally, the cyclist will interact with local population to spread the awareness of Swachhta Abhiyan. The Office of the Nagaland Governor has invited applications from young graduates from diverse backgrounds and disciplines for the Governor's Young Fellowship Program. A release issued by the PRO to the State Governor R.N. Ravi yesterday informed that the applicants should be committed to addressing some of the most pressing developmental challenges facing Nagaland, according to report.